Welcome to my channel. My name is Jordy. If you don't know me, I feel like I haven't said that in like a year. I've got a little mall date with my daughter and my sister tonight, so I thought I would do a really quick everyday face. It's long wearing, it's easy, it's cute, and it's comfortable. That's important. I even put effort into my hair. I don't usually blow dry my hair because it hurts my hands and my wrists and my arms because I'm broken. So this is a big deal for me. Usually I just put a hat on. I just want to quickly mention my necklace. This is from Mercury Hour and they are custom and mine says tired. Because like, I don't know, I didn't really want my name on a necklace, so I thought, what else describes me really well? I love it and I'm not gonna take it off. Anyways, let's get into the video. I have this one piece of hair that just like won't stay with its family. How do I make it stay? This one! I actually put effort into my hair today, so let's just try to protect it. That's not my hair. I've been stuck on the same base routine for like weeks now. It works, so I just haven't switched it up. I have like 5 new foundations to try, so I think I'm gonna make like a series of foundation videos. Does that sound okay? First up is the Milk Makeup Hydrating Oil. I love it. My skin is combination. It's oily in the T-zone and then dry as fuck everywhere else. And this oil hydrates my dry areas and then also stops my oily T-zone from overcompensating and producing too much oil. It's a win-win. I had to bite the seal thing off of this and I got primer in my mouth. It has no taste, so that's good. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. My forehead is really dry right now, so hopefully I can get a base of foundation that doesn't look too bad. It's getting down to like -2 here in Canada, so it is dry season and seasonal depression season. I've got the Stay Naked foundation by Urban Decay in 30NN and 31NN. I'm just gonna see which one. I think I'm gonna go with 30. And I'm using one of the new Milk Makeup Sephora brushes. This is the foundation brush and it is so good. It's a perfect shape for both blending and stippling. It doesn't leave any streaky marks. And it's nice and small, so you can kind of get in the nooks and crannies. I'm gonna go for a pretty light coverage today. That was just 2 little pumps of foundation. I have to find a dress, so I'm gonna be pulling clothes over my head. I just want a little bit of something on my face. Also using the Naked Skin Concealer in 30NN. And I'm just going to buff it out using the same foundation brush. Before I set any of this with powder, I'm gonna go in with my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer. I mean, it kind of is a bronzer. It's brown. Bronzer in Blaze. I'm just gonna add a little color to my cheeks, a little along my jawline, and again using the same brush because I'm gross. And just kind of stippling that into my foundation. Pulling the jaw downwards and blending it onto my neck. And then taking a little bit of product with the brush. Just stipple a little bit on my forehead. I have a really hard time blending it out on my forehead if I go right in with this stick, probably because it is so dry. This just seems to work a little better. Then I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Concealer brush and I'm just going to take the little pointy end. I'm going to go in and contour my nose. I'm just contouring down the sides and the bottom, and then just a little bit across there. And then making sure it's nice and blended. And I'm taking a little bit of concealer and I'm just gonna go in and highlight the sides of that contour just to kind of clean it up. Sometimes when you blend it out, you kind of lose the preciseness. To powder, I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Powder, and this is the Hank & Henry Carla brush. It is so good for getting powder under the eye and all over the face. Just make sure you don't have any creases, because you don't want to set your makeup creased. And then going in with the powder and just patting it under my eye. I always put powder first in places that I want a little bit more highlighted, and I apply it a little heavier. Also in any place that I know my makeup likes to crease, like in my smile lines and under eyes. And then with the excess powder, I just bring that over my contoured areas so they don't disappear under the powder. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in Platinum Blonde. That is a mouthful. I'm just going to give them a little bit of definition along the bottom and fill in any little holes, just with little hair stroke motions. The color of this pencil is so perfect for my hair color. It's such an easy to use pencil too, effortless. I just haven't been about the pomade life in a hot minute. Do you guys like a pencil or a pomade? I find a pencil so much quicker and easier. I could see this pencil running out pretty quick though. It is quite soft and tiny. This eyebrow is always so much harder to fill in. Not like getting the shape or anything like that. It just doesn't seem to like product. It's like I have to go over it so many more times than the other eyebrow. It doesn't make any sense. And then I'm gonna use the Arch Brow Shape. I can't fucking talk. Hourglass Brow Shaping Gel in clear to fluff them up. This brow also does not like to be fluffy. This is my little rebellious brow. I'm sick of its shit. I know where he gets it from though. Just gonna dust off that little bit of powder. This isn't usually my next step in my makeup routine, but I have a highlighter that I am dying to try, so let's highlight. I've got the Hank & Henry Brilliant Pearls Highlight in Nightlight. And like, do you see this? It looks like it's gonna be absolutely poppin'. I'm gonna use the Melly brush from Hank & Henry. Oh my God, that was just one baby swipe. I would expect no less from Henry. That's a lot. The name is fitting. That is a nightlight that will shine at night. You need to be careful with this. I'm so excited to put this on my nose. Here we go. It's beautiful. I think I have a new favorite highlighter. Like, I just want to put it everywhere. You know, when you fall in love with a product so much that you just want to like buy 7 to make sure you never run out. Look, my nails even kind of match the packaging. We were meant to be together. I'm gonna do a super simple eye. This is kind of my go-to every day. I'm using the Milk Makeup Gel Eyeliner in the shade Bonus. It's a nice kind of shimmery brown. And I just like to take this and put a little bit right in the corner of my eye and make a little wing. And then I use the smudgy side to elongate it a little bit and also just to smudge it out so it's really soft. And it just really elongates the eye. This is also a lot easier and quicker than doing like a full cat eye makeup or trying to use liquid liner. That somewhat gives the same effect. A little more casual. And then I'll give my lashes a little bit of a curl. And I'm still stuck on the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. I love it. I've got backups. I just love the formula. I love the brush. I love that it doesn't transfer, and I love that it washes off so cleanly. Just take it right to the root and give it a wiggle all the way to the tip. And then I like to just kind of separate them with the tip of the brush and coat the edges to make sure they look nice and long. And now my eye is open. This one's not. For blush, I'm going to mix a few of the shades from my Clown blush palette. I'm going to do a little bit of Carousel and a little bit of Contortion for a nice peachy blush. This is the Hank & Henry Francis brush. So I'm just going to lay down some pink and then put down some orange and swirl them together. No matter how kind of natural of the makeup I'm doing on myself, I always do my blush extra. It's just who I am as a person. Call me a clown. It's literally what this is for. Perfect! I'm gonna do my faux freckles off camera because I want to try something and I can't show you guys. Wish me luck. Hello, I am back. For the lip, I'm gonna use the Noctex Cosmetics Rusted Lip Vial. Just a little bit. And then blot it onto my lips with my finger. My lips are so freaking chapped. I was actually wearing a lip mask before I started this tutorial, but I think my lips absorbed it. And I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of Colourpop Curvii lip pencil for a little definition, soft definition. I always like to have a soft lip line, even if I'm wearing like red lipstick, which isn't the easiest to do. And I know it's already super blotted, but I like to pretty much blot it off so there's just like a tiny bit of color. And then I'm gonna use some of the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I just got asked to do a panel at Playlist Live. I have never done a panel before. That's really scary to me. Should I do it? Should I just step outside my little comfortable box? I don't wanna. I probably should. Ah! Anyways, this is it. This is my everyday do whatever face. It's quick, it's easy, it's cute, it lasts really well, which is really important because I know that a lot of us have very long days ahead of us. I'm a mom. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. I'm going to tell you all of the foundations that I have to try and you guys can pick which one you want to see first. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, the new Milk Makeup foundation stick. I have the new Smashbox full coverage foundation. I've got the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. I don't have the foundation. I've got the NYX Bear With Me foundation. I feel like there's more, but I can't remember them right now. But if there's any of those that you really want to see me try, let me know, or if there's a different one that you want to see me try, I can order it, so let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. That will actually be a next video because I want to make videos, which is weird because I haven't wanted to make videos, but I miss you guys and I feel like I've abandoned you and I'm sorry. And I know I've said this before and then disappeared again, so hopefully this time it sticks. I love you guys.